guys, I want to share with you these new hangers that I have found on Amazon. They are flocked, so things don't slide around on them. They have little grooves if you needed them, but like even a strappy little dress is not going to fall off. I was going to show you the different things that I like to hang on to dry. T-shirts, they don't fall off. A jersey, it's not going anywhere. And my husband's shirts, they stay pretty nice and straight. And then I can also hang jeans on them. And they don't bend in the middle, they don't crease, they don't slide around and fall off and slip off the other way. These hangers come in like 11 different colors. The top comes in, there's 2 different tones, I think rose gold and silver. They just have been pretty invaluable for me. Like it takes up less space in our closet because they're so much thinner. I even have some of our winter coats hanging on them because they're pretty sturdy. So check the link below and grab some hangers and thank me for it later. Have a great day.